Hi everyone, my name is Srichandra and today my topic is Introduction to Shift Micro Operations. Let's get into the topic. Operations. Shift micro operations are used for the serial transfer of data and also support in conjunction with arithmetic logic and several data processing operations. The contents of a register can be shifted to the left or the right. Simultaneously, that the bits are shifted, the first flip-flop holds it binary data from the serial input. In left shift left operation, the serial input transfer a bit into the rightmost position. In shift right operation, the serial input transfer a bit into the leftmost position. The data transfer by the serial input decides the type of shift micro operation. There are three types of shift micro operations. First one, logical. In transfer the zero through the serial input, we use the symbol SHL for logical shift or SHR for shift right. R1 shift left R1, R2 shift left R, R1 shift right R2. The register symbol should be the equivalent on both sides of the arrows. Shift logically shift left. In this shift one position moves each bit to the left one by one. The empty least significant bit LSB is filled with 0, that is the serial input, and the most significant bit MSB is rejected. Right logical shift. In this position moves each bit to the right one by one, and the least significant bit LSB is rejected, and the empty most significant bit is filled with 0. Arithmetic. The micro operation shifts are signed binary numbers to the left or to the right position. In an arithmetic shift left, it multiplies a signed binary number by 2, and in a right, it divides the number by 2. Left shift, left arithmetic shift. In this one position moves each bit to the left one by one. The empty least significant bit is filled with 0 and the most significant bit MSB is rejected. Same as the left logical shift. Left arithmetic shift diagram. Right shift arithmetic. In this one position moves each bit to the right one by one, and the least significant bit it rejected, and the empty MSB is filled with the value of the previous MSB. Circular. The circulates or pivots the bits of register around the two ends without any trouble of data or contents. In circular shift, the serial output of the shift register is linked to its serial input. CIL or CIR is used for circular shift left or right respectively. The symbolic documentation for the shift micro operation is demonstrated in the table. Shift micro operation, shift symbolic designation description. R shift R1 shift left R shift left register R R1 shift R shift left register R1 CIL R circular shift left register R1 CIR R shift circular shift right register R1 ASHL R arithmetic shift left R1 ASH R arithmetic shift right left circular shift. You can see the diagram. Right circular shift. Thank you. I conclude my presentation here.